There's a lot to share with you coming from HomeSeer. I know you're all eager for an update, especially regarding some of the new products that we have coming out. But there's a few other things that I want to share with you, namely how we want to communicate with you moving forward. We want to be doing these videos, and we want to talk with you. So let's get into that. If you don't know me, my name is Jon-Luke West. I'm the CTO over here at HomeSeer, and you should get used to seeing my face and hearing my voice a bit more. I want to be doing a bunch of these videos just to, give you something, give you a behind the scenes, give you a viewport into HomeSeer and what we're doing. We're here, we're alive, we're busy, and we've got a lot planned for you. This video is going to be focused on breaking down, just a few updates and setting the stage for what you will see in the coming days. This includes other videos, and these will be about products that we have, updates on the WS300, our PS100, the ZNet Pro, and the DS150ZB. Another video that you'll see is talking about something that we've been working really, really hard on, which is extended hardware warranties and additional support offerings. So beyond those two things, I want to provide regular updates for you through these videos. So I want to hear from you. What do you want to see from us? What do you want to hear from us? What questions do you have? And how can we interact with you better? We've been doing a lot to reach out to some of our customers and talk to a bunch of you. If that has been you, thank you very much. The information that we've learned has been immensely helpful over here at HomeSeer. Beyond that, there are a few things that I want to let you know that are happening as well, alongside the product updates and some of the things that we're working on. So we do have a MyHS update coming very, very soon. I will break that out into another video for some more details. Coming up in October, we will be attending the Z-Wave Alliance Summit, and at the Unplug Fest that will be happening alongside the summit, I will be engaging in a novel Z-Wave test. I've been working with a bunch of companies from the Z-Wave Alliance to put together a really interesting demonstration for you. It involves skydiving and pushing Z-Wave to its limits at this point. We're just seeing really where those limits are. If you're a Home Assistant fan, you may have seen a short clip of an individual skydiving during one of their more recent product announcements, and that was me. That was me jumping out of that plane. That's actually something that me and Dr. Z-Wave have been putting together for a bit over a year now. We, back in July last year, we started working on seeing just how far we could take Z-Wave. And we've been doing this by hooking up some GPS modules to a battery-powered Z-Wave device, and then sticking it in a pouch, giving it to me, and throwing me out of an airplane. Well, I was jumping willingly. And so far we've done this about 10 times now, and we have it fine-tuned really, really nicely. This is something that has led to an expansion on the Z-Wave protocol. It now includes a better GPS or location command class functionality. It now includes altitude, because before then we didn't need it, but with this test we do. So far, we've been able to get up to 3 miles, and just the other day, we did another test. I went out to Skydive New England with Eric, and we have a new setup. It's something Eric has been working on, and I jumped out of a plane at about 6,500 feet. And you can see here in this data that we were tracking me pretty much the entire time. Some things that we've learned are that my body acts as a really, really nice shield, meaning that when I'm facing away from Eric, because I have it in a pouch on the front of me, my body blocks all of the signal. So it's something that we're working on. We're going to try to attach it separately to see if we can get a more consistent signal. But you can see through this path that I was flying around over here, and then I flew over here, and then I came in for landing. And we had a relatively solid communication the entire way. This is something that we've been kind of playing with, and I'd love to keep doing this. I plan to test the range for every single one of our devices. We're going to have to rig it up a little special to make sure that we can report a GPS location and altitude correctly. But we're going to try this for as many devices as we can. Is there something that you're interested in seeing? I'd love to get a comparison down. If somebody's got a Zigbee setup or a LoRaWAN setup and we want to do a side-by-side, honestly, I think that's a really, really nice idea. I'm still working on the best ways to present all this data to you. It's a really tricky one to work on. So if anybody has any suggestions for map visualizers, I've been using Google Earth a little bit, and this little data output is from an Excel map view. So reach out to me. I'd love to hear from you on this. So moving forward, right? What I've been saying. We're doing stuff. We're actively involved in the Z-Wave Alliance and the Z-Wave community. We're making new devices. We're working on stuff for you to improve your smart home experience. We're reaching out to you. We're trying to understand what you want in your smart home, not just what we think you want, right? And some of the issues that you've been having. Tell us about it. We want to know where we can improve and what we can do to make the smart home community as a whole a better experience for everyone. So stay tuned for a few more videos with updates about a bunch of stuff for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and sign up for our newsletter to make sure that you're receiving all the updates and all the information that we can give you. And I'll see you soon.